Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to create a simple animate counter in After Effects. This is perfect for projects like timers, number, displays or dynamic counters. Let's get started. Start by creating a new composition. Then add a text layer by right-clicking on the timeline. Next, go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Point Control. Drag it onto the text layer. Click on the text layer and expand its properties. Find source text. Hold down Alt or Option on Mac and click on the stopwatch icon. This will open the expression editor. Paste the codes I've provided in the description into this field. Now, let me explain the code step by step, so you can understand how to customize it. $. This is a dollar sign that appears at the start of the number. You can replace it with any symbol or text you want, such as euro, pound, or even just a space. To change the value at the end, replace plus in the code with the symbol or text you want, for example, plus kilograms. We'll display numbers like 916 kilograms. Leave it empty if you don't want anything at the end. To animate the values using keyframes, go to the point control in the Effect Controls panel. Click the stopwatch next to point to add a keyframe at the start. Move the timeline to where you want the animation to end and adjust the X value in point control. Preview the animation. Your counter will now change dynamically between the keyframe values. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more After Effects tips. See you in the next video.